Hello everyone. Welcome to Graphic Vision. If you have not subscribed to this channel, so quickly click on the subscribe button. Today we will learn to create an alphabet B logo in Illustrator. First of all, go to Rectangle tool and select it. Then click on the artboard. This pop-up window will appear. Now you have to give the width 150 and the height same as width, and press this small constraint icon so it will lock it. Then press OK. Square will appear on the artboard. Once again left click and this time put the value of 200 pixels and press OK. Now rotate both shape 45 degrees. And place bigger square shape under the small square. After that, go to Direct Selection tool, and select left edges of both squares and delete them. Now create rectangle, so it will appear like alphabet B. Now select the whole shape and go to Pathfinder tool, then press on Unite. It will combines these shape. After that, go to Pen tool. Now create the line like I did. Give this line some stroke value. I am giving it 64. Make its opacity value little bit down. Now copy this shape and make more copies from it. Select all these lines, and duplicate these lines. Now rotate these lines in 135 degrees, and place on B shape. After that, select all the lines once again and reduce the stroke value to 32. And delete even lines from it, and adjust it. Now go to Shape Builder tool and select it, and select the entire shape. Press Alt and left mouse button to delete these extra edges. Now our logo is done. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.